Hello everyone, today we're going to compare Odoo and Dolibarr, two open source ERP platforms. So Odoo offers a comprehensive suite of business application including CRM, e-commerce, accounting, inventory, and project management, making it a versatile solution for businesses of all sizes with both cloud and on-premise options. While Dolibarr is simple yet powerful ERP and CRM system that caters to small and medium-sized business, offering modules for managing invoices, projects, and customer relationships with a focus on ease of use and flexibility. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Odoo and Dolibarr, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about core focus, Odoo is an all-in-one business management platform, while Dolibarr focuses on ERP and CRM solution with customizable modules. For module apps, Odoo they have 10,000 plus apps, which is includes ERP, CRM, HR, accounting, etc. integration. While Dolibarr they have 100 plus modules, so they have it for ERP, CRM, and project management. For customization, so Odoo is very highly customizable with third-party apps, while Dolibarr, they have moderate customization with open source flexibility. And for user interface, Odoo is modern, sleek, and user-friendly. Dolibarr is simple but less refined compared to Odoo. For cloud and on-premise, Odoo available on cloud and on-premise, same thing with Dolibarr. For mobile application, Odoo they have native mobile application for iOS and Android, while Dolibarr they have no dedicated mobile app, but they have a mobile-friendly web UI or user interface. For integration, Odoo integrates with third-party service like PayPal, e-commerce, etc., while Dolibarr they have limited integration without extra development. For scalability, Odoo is very scalable for business of all sizes. Dolibarr is suitable only for small to medium-sized businesses. Lastly, for community, Odoo they have a large open source of community and active development, while Dolibarr they have an open source community smaller compared to Odoo. So that's it for the features comparison. So now let's go to pricing. So when it comes to license types, so Odoo they have open source or community, which is paid enterprise. Dolibarr have an open source also, and for the cost of having a cloud, Odoo starts at $25 per user per month, which is the enterprise payment, while Dolibarr they have it for free for open source version. But if you want to do hosting, it may cost extra dollars. For additional costs, Odoo they have additional costs for extra modules or apps. Dolibarr is free to use, though they have a premium support and it may have fees. You can check out to their website. For customization, Odoo they may require additional costs for complex customization. Dolibarr they have a customization available but often DIY. So yes, that's it for the basic pricing comparison. So they don't have any quite of difference. So now let's go to performance. For ease of use, Odoo is a highly user-friendly platform, though the setup can be complex. Dolibarr is fairly easy to use, but they have a simpler interface. When it comes to speed and reliability, Odoo is very reliable with regular updates, while Dolibarr stable but fewer updates compared to Odoo. For customization options, Odoo they have extensive options through apps and third-party modules, while Dolibarr they have good customization but less compared to Odoo. Lastly, for scalability, Odoo is highly scalable for large businesses, as I said earlier, and Dolibarr is best suited for small to medium-sized companies. So that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go to customer support. For availability, Odoo is they have a 24/7 support available for enterprise only, while Dolibarr they have limited support. relying more on community help. So when it comes to availability, Odoo, you need to purchase enterprise plan. When it comes to support channels, Odoo, they have email, phones, ticketing system, and live chat. Dolibarr, they have forum and community. Mostly the support on Dolibarr is pure community or community driven. When it comes to response time, Odoo, they have a fast response time, especially for enterprise plan, while Dolibarr, they have a slower response time due to community-driven support. Lastly, for support features, Odoo, they have extensive documentation, training available, while Dolibarr, they have decent documentation, but mostly community-based. So that's it for the community support comparison. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and community support comparison. Now let's go directly to pros and cons. And when it comes to pros, when we talk about Odoo, Odoo offers a vast array of apps and modules, allowing businesses to manage everything from accounting to CRM to HR in one place. They are very highly customizable with robust third-party app integration for expanded functionality, and they are available as both an open source community version and a paid or enterprise version, catering to different business needs. So when it comes to cons, Odoo, they have a learning curve, and it can be steep, particularly for new users setting up the more complex modules. Their pricing for the enterprise version can add up quickly, especially when multiple users and modules are involved. So that's it for the Odoo pros and cons. So now let's talk to Dolibarr pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, Dolibarr is simple, open source ERP and CRM solution, which make it highly appealing for small businesses with limited budgets. They are very easy to install and configure, making it accessible for users without needing significant technical expertise. And lastly, they have no licensing fees, making it cost effective for smaller operations and organizations with limited IT resources. So yes, that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, Dolibarr have less advanced features compared to Odoo and fewer modules and integrations. Their support options are mainly community driven, which can result in slower response times for troubleshooting and assistance. So yes, that's it for the Dolibarr pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Odoo. So Odoo is referable for someone who wants an all-in-one business solution with extensive modules for different operations like sales, CRM, inventory, and accounting. Someone who requires advanced customization capabilities to tailor the platform to the company's specific needs. Someone who is looking for scalability as the company grows, making Odoo ideal for medium to large enterprise. And lastly, someone who needs a sleek and modern interface for ease of use by all employees, even those less tech savvy. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Odoo is the choice for you. For the people who should choose Dolibarr, Dolibarr is referable for small businesses owner or startup looking for a free open source ERP solution without the need for expensive customization. Someone who prioritizes a straightforward, easy to use platform with essential ERP and CRM functionalities. Someone who prefers on an on-premise solution or a self-hosted system to have more control over their business data. And lastly, someone who values a cost-effective platform without recurring monthly or annual fees, perfect for tight budgets. So if you have all of these qualities, Dolibarr is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, both Odoo and Dolibarr offer distinct advantage depending on your business needs. Odoo excels with its comprehensive suite of apps and high degree of customization, making it a cost suitable for medium to large businesses that need a scalable all-in-one solution. On the other hand, Dolibarr is perfect for small businesses or startups looking for a simple, cost-effective ERP and CRM system that covers the basic without overwhelming complexity. So choose Odoo if you need advanced features and scalability for your growing enterprise, or choose Dolibarr if you're looking for an affordable open source solution to manage your business operations. So whichever you choose, get started today and optimize your business with the right tools. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.